SERV stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Yes, I'm looking at Serve Robotics. We're sitting at $8.68, 18% up for the day. It's a pretty bearish chart, but out of nowhere we started picking up. So what's the situation right now with Serve? That was how it looked like. Now, just for context, still very open to the bullish side, but all I'm going to use is still the strategy that previously delivered thousands of correct predictions. And as I'm looking at Serve Robotics, it says waiting for the rules to be met in order for me to buy, and it's the same exact idea here, mate. Like, if I see a double break, only then I'll continue to take it higher. Like, that's it. Like, if it doesn't give me that double break, then I'm not gonna do so. And what I'm gonna do is just put waiting sign, like, you know, still waiting, man. Like, it needs to give me the bullish momentum. Other than that, if you want to learn how to make more profits by taking less sniper trades, check the first link in the description. There is a 100% free course, and I will be seeing you in the next one.